Okay guys, there's fireworks going off. It's currently... They're coming off from over that direction. So... Okay guys, so... There's a bulb right there. I think it's the last video, I got a new one. So, yeah, let's record this for YouTube. Auto. So we've got 59 minutes, guys, of record time for you guys. You guys only are gonna get this high quality video. So, yeah, recording this for YouTube. I know Bonfire Night was yesterday, guys. I know the camera quality have changed. I've lost my phone, and a lot of things happen. This camera quality is better, but... So, there it is right there. Oh, you see a little thing falling to the ground, guys. Look at that. You see a little rocket stick falling to the ground. So, I know a lot of change since last video. I know the quality's better, as you all can see. I'm recording off a Samsung phone, like a really high quality Samsung. Well, as a firework. I'm recording off a Samsung phone right now. I know my mum hasn't really... My mum, basically... I had my phone taken off me for a reason, and I'm not going to say it on camera, but it's gone, and I sorry I haven't uploaded in a week. But currently we're doing this video for YouTube. As we can see, we've got 56 minutes of record time. We are rocking tonight, baby. We're rocking the road. So, guys... So yeah, guys, sorry, it's been a while. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. Sorry for the swearing on my camera right now, so... I think I might be the only person who get on camera. Like I said, I got 56 minutes of record time, so. So yeah, guys. Give it a few seconds. Hi. Yeah, a lot of things have changed, guys. Lock this exposure. So guys, it's the 6th of November right now. I know, last Bonfire Night we had really crap fireworks, so I didn't record them. You know, COVID and all, apparently it's marked as a less... It's requested as a less priority. So... It's classed as a less priority firework, guys. So, yeah, this is currently locked on autofocus. So for the background. See how a lot of things have changed, as we can see here. Alright. I've got a new setup. I've put it back to the original. Alright, guys. This firework is really... There's none going off, and it's currently 4 minutes. You know, you never know. 4 minutes in real life feels like 6, 7, 8, 9. You hear that, guys? A desert star. I'm squeezing the phone, guys, right now. I'm squeezing it because this is expensive. This thing's like 500 quid for this phone. Funny enough, but it's in a good quality, as you can see. Look at my new blinds. It's in a better quality. Oh, I thought that was a firework, guys. The reflection in that made me think it was a firework. Because, baby, I'm a firework. Come and took me up. Look, up there is a star that you guys know. Yeah, there's a star up there. Let me do a folk sound. So now one big rocket I catched on camera. So guys, if this video is going to turn out to be a very crap vlog, I know. It's going to be the crappiest vlog you guys will see. Look at this gossip. As you see here, over there is the light they've been playing up the past few weeks. Who's that? Over there. But yeah. Hi Emma.
Hello.
Guess you. I saw the thing on Facebook of you doing the firework.
Did you?
It's amazing.
Like it?
Loved it.
Did you do your fireworks?
Yeah.
They good?
Yeah.
Good.
Alright, so guys, like I said, as you see out there, there's some fireworks we don't know. I don't know what a distant star is, but like I said, rocket. Oh God! Don't worry, I'm recording to say hello to YouTube.
Hi.
You're such good quality on you. I'll zoom in all on your eye because who I am. So you start it with a balloon, but you know, my sometimes.
Don't worry,
It's-
guys, go. Come on, keep them. Don't call me out, my own daddy, piss off.
At least I got fired on camera and you haven't. So yeah, so. Ooh. The guys up there, guys, last night with the light on, the guys they were doing firework last night. Come on, focus, bro. Well, you could do what you're focusing right now. Oh, the guys up there last night. They basically were doing loads of them last night. My mum's phone was dead, so I can record it. Unfortunately, and my phone's been gone for like a week now. So there'll be no fireworks, most likely. They're probably all gone. Alright guys, hang on. Look at them, look at the doggies. Nova! Hiya! Hi baby! I'm winding him up, let's leave him alone now. But there you guys, let me know if you like this new camera called Tiesta. The LED light today. Looks like a blood moon. Here's my brother coming upstairs with his friends. Here's him trying to knock down camera. So, yeah guys, currently, oh god. So, we got a rocket on camera, Myra. Go on, let's do try and smash this thing. Go on. Give it a try.
Give it a bye, Mum.
Put you up on camera.
I have my own channel.
We're gonna do ram it up your big fat. Okay, good.
Acting on School 101.
With only 5 subscribers and my channel got 24 subscribers, most likely if you had a channel it'd be like 1,000, so.
Yeah, it's Daniel. Yeah, he does have a channel.
How much does he have?
Oh, he made it 2 weeks ago, so he doesn't have that much.
Oh.
Um,
Firework! Grrrr. Right guys, I'll see you guys in part 2. Peace out.